Let's look at the Monster Mash program and let's see what we have. We have height, weight, and age, and we have a scanner. Outprint how many monsters are in the herd, and it asks, and we have a certain amount. So we create the array with size, array of monsters. We randomly put values in for the monsters so that we don't have to sit here and type it all out. I thought, well, let's just do it randomly and we just throw some values in quickly. We're going to print out the herd. We're going to get the smallest and we're going to get the largest of the monsters. So let's take a look at the monster class is an individual monster. Let's do the constructor here. And this is old news. Height equals height. And this dot weight equals weight. And this dot age is equal to age. So that should create, can we run this? We're going to get errors. How many monsters in the herd? Let's go 5 monsters. So the array is blank, the smallest is blank, the largest is blank. We got the constructor made. This seems to be running now. Well, here's the constructor, and we're constructing the one instance variable right here, which is an array of monsters. And we say my monsters is a new monster of size. We sent the size. In this case, we sent 5. Add int spot monster. We're going to add a monster to the array. So we're going to say my monsters, which is the array, in spot is equal to the monster. There we go. Now we're going to get the largest. Get the largest monster. Let's go over here and we're going to find out which is the bigger monster. So we've been sent the monster. We've been sent an object. We're on an instance of monster and we've been sent the other one. So let's cast. Let's go monster other is equal to, and we're going to cast the object as a monster. And the first criteria is the height. So we're going to say if height is equal to other dot height, then we're going to return that the current one is actually the bigger one. So we're going to return true. If the height, not equal to, greater than, let's go greater than. If it's less than other dot height, then we're going to return false. And we're going to keep doing that for the other two. So we're going to say if weight is the next one, is greater than other dot weight, return true. And then we're going to say if weight is less than other dot weight. No, I already did weight. Height. No, I went less than. I'm good. I got it. Return false. Then we're going to say if the last criteria is age. So if age is greater than other dot age, then we're going to return true, and then else. On the very end, we're going to return false. String, the toString. Well, this is just kind of blank. We want to be able to print out a monster. Let's do that while we're here. Let's be able to print out the age and the weight. So we're going to return height plus, how about a blank, plus, is it weight? Weight is next. We'll keep it real simple here. And plus age. So that when we try to print out a monster, it knows what to print. But now we want to get the largest. We want to get the largest. So we're going to go through. Let's go. Let's have monster, largest monster is equal to, how about null? Let's set it to null. And then we're going to go for monster. How about the current one? Is we're going to get that from my monsters. That's the array that we're going to get it from. And we're going to say if, let's go, if current dot bigger, if current is bigger than largest, right? Then we're going to make largest equal to the current monster that we're comparing. And we're going to return largest. Let's see how we're doing here. 5. The herd is null, the smallest is null, so nothing got added to added to the herd. So it's almost like that is not working. What does this say? Null pointer exception. So yeah, things are really not working out. Let's take a look at let's return. Now we have arrays imported, so we're going to return what are we going to return? Arrays.toString, and we're going to return my monsters. Do we see anything underlined in this? Maybe that I don't see, other than the top stuff. I don't know what all that's underlined for. Just saying it's never used. Let's run it and see what we get here. How about 5 monsters? All right, so the array is working. The array's working. Let's finish the get small and see if that tells us anything. Monster smallest. Oh, it's the null piece because I need something to compare it to. So let's do this. Let's change how we're going to do this. Let's go. Let's make it a new monster. We'll make it a new monster, and we're going to send it all zeros. 0, 0, 0. How about we do that? Now let's. Oh, I got to get rid of this, or else I'm going to get a mistake here or an error. Let's run it now because I was comparing to null, which was kind of silly. There we go. So there's the largest with 66. That seems reasonable. So now let's do the same thing. Monster smallest is equal to new monster, and we'll just give it all zeros. How about that? 1, 2, 3. Whoops. 1, 2, 3 numbers that are zeros. And then we're going to just do the exact same thing. We're going to say if the current one, now we got to loop through. 4, monster, current one, my monster, that one, current one that we're comparing to. If current dot bigger, we're going to compare that to the smallest. Oh, the zeros aren't going to work, because I need really big. No, I'll finish this. We need really big values because now it's going to say the smallest one is all the zeros. We're going to say smallest is equal to the current, if it's smaller than what we have stored, smallest right there. What should we do here? How about go integer dot max value. So make it the biggest value that biggest integer that Java can possibly hold. There we go. Now let's run it. Let's see what. Oh, I didn't copy all value. Yeah, I got it. Here we go. We got it. Run. Smallest equals current. There we go. Let's make it a semicolon, what it's supposed to be. Oh, I have a couple other things underlined. Current. I need monster. Need another T there. Doesn't like max value cannot be resolved as not a field. Integer max value. Let's run it anyway. Let's see what we're getting here. Yeah, it really doesn't like integer dot max value. Let's just make it like a really, really big, silly number. Should we do that? Or you know what? Let's change it up. Let's do. Let's go with. Let's make it my monsters, and we'll just make it equal to my monsters, and let's just make it the first one. How about we do that? That way we can change this up a little bit, and we can see another way to do this. So we're going to go for int I is equal to 1. So we'll start at 1. And then we'll make I less than my monsters dot length. And we're going to go I plus plus. Now we're going to say if what? If my monsters I is bigger than the smallest, if that is, we need that to be false. So we need that to be false. If that's true, or if that happens, then smallest is equal to my monsters, you know, with the I in there. How about we do it that way? Let's see if that works. And then we got to change this to return smallest. Run. Smallest. Somebody's calling me. My brother's calling me. Let's see if this works, though. Hey, it works. I'm going to end the video and talk to my brother.